Over the years of this remarkable journey, NS Amara has steadily evolved into a landmark of premium living. Today, as the project nears completion, every tower stands as a reflection of trust, progress, and thoughtful craftsmanship. NS Amara is now entering its final phase, where homes are steadily transforming, with interior finishing works already in progress. Tower 1 is now structurally complete, with brickwork, internal plaster, and electrical works completed across all floors. External painting and tile work are currently in progress. Tower 2 has completed all slab casting works, while brickwork, plaster and electrical works are completed up to the 5th floor. External painting work is also progressing rapidly. Tower 3 has achieved complete slab casting, with brickwork completed up to the 5th floor and internal plasterwork progressing smoothly. Tower 4 is also progressing steadily, with slab work completed and brickwork, internal plaster and electrical works advancing up to the 5th floor. Meanwhile, the grand clubhouse is now taking shape beautifully, designed to become the heart of leisure, wellness and community living. As the rooms move into their interior phase, the vision of families soon calling NS Amara home is becoming more real than ever. NS Amara, where your future home is closer than ever.